Today I wanted to talk to you briefly about optimizing the pages and posts that you create for a particular word or phrase so that the search engines know that your page is important and relevant when people look for that phrase or term that you've optimized for. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to posts, and we're going to look at an existing post and look at all the elements and how we can weave in those key phrases in order to optimize it. So go to posts, and I'm going to do a search here. You can type in and it'll look for a particular phrase, in this case how to write a post, and I'm going to search my posts, and we're going to scroll down. And here it is, how to write a post, and we're going to edit that. And one of the other things that you can do, this is a neat little feature that a lot of people don't realize, is you can actually make the page bigger so that you can look at more of it when you're working on it. So the first thing that we look at is up here. This is how to write a post, and that is what appears on the page. The second thing, and if you're not aware of it, this particular article was written for the phrase write a post. So the next thing is the permalink, which is right below that, and this is editable. You can edit this portion. I would encourage you to take out what are known as stop words. In this particular case I did leave the A in, but stop words would be the, that, the, a, of, any of those words, and really consolidate it down to just the major words that you're trying to optimize for. So I'm going to leave the permalink, and this is what the URL that will actually be shown on a search engine result page, also known as a SERP. So we'll leave that how it is. And you notice that in the first sentence here I've got writing a post. In the first sentence of the paragraph I also have writing a post, and we repeat that phrase numerous times throughout this document. Our recommendation is that this particular phrase, writing a post, or some variation of that, be used about every 20th word. So that's about 5% of the content. We don't want to go above 5%, but if you can get fairly close to 5% while making sure that the information is still readable for the user, that would be good. You want to make sure that the write a post is in the title, as we say right here. It's up here in the title. The description, which we'll scroll down here a little ways, and in the headspace there's a description area. Tips for writing a post, guidelines for what to do, consider, what to include, where and how to use keyword phrases. Probably could have used writing a post or write a post one more time in this, but you do need to keep that down to under 170 characters. In the page title, you want to make sure that you put it in the page title as well, write a post. Also in the excerpt, which short versions may have this excerpt instead, depending on the functionality of your page, but writing a post is in here as well. So we've got it in the page title, the page description, the excerpt. We've included it in the first, and this is what's called a heading. And this one, in this case, is a heading 2, but it's in the heading, it's in the paragraphs. The last thing that you do is, you want to make sure that you have the correct tags. So you've got the phrase, again, I'm going to repeat this numerous times, but you have it in the title, the name of the page, the permalink, throughout the body, you have it in the headings, and you also make sure that you have it in the tags. In this case, you can see right here we've got posts, write a post, and writing a post. So you have an opportunity here to put multiple variations into your tags. I'm going to add one more, how to write a post, and click the add button, and now you see that that one was added on there. And then you select, if you haven't already, what category you're going to put it into. And if this is a really important category, you may want to name a category just for that particular thing as well. So hopefully this has helped you understand how you optimize a particular page. And if you want to read more about it, you can just Google writing a post compliments international, and it should be the first or second link that you find. I hope this is helpful, and have a great day.